Instant Solo Single Serve Coffee Maker, from the makers of Pot, K-Cup Pod compatible brewer, includes reusable and bold setting, brew 8 to 12 ounces, 40 ounces. Water reservoir, red, gently soaks grounds before brewing to produce a deeper, more aromatic, flavorful cup of coffee. Compatible with K-Cups and most other coffee pods. Use the bold feature to create the perfect pour over iced coffee. Fill your glass with ice cubes and select bold and 8, 10 or 12 ounces. Option to add your choice of milk to finish off your perfect iced coffee. Gently soaks grounds in a K-Cup or the reusable pod before brewing to produce a more flavorful cup of coffee. Brew your single serve of hot coffee in just 90 seconds with an option of 3 different brewing sizes: 8 ounces, 10 ounces, or 12 ounces cup. Brew more, refill less with the 40 ounces removable reservoir. It's also dishwasher safe, so no more descaling water reservoirs. Get best price, discount and details about this item. You can click link in description.